Welcome. If you want to get Magic Fluid Wallpaper on your OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type Fluid Live Wallpaper. We have to get this application from the Mad Scientist. Then let's install. Click open. Click right here and wait, I'm gonna show you this theme for the first. So that's how our keyboard looks, right? I mean our wallpaper. But we can change it by going here to set as a live wallpaper, then tapping on the switcher in the right upper corner. Let's accept, and I'll show you my favorite, this one. Click OK, go back, and here it is, the automatically fluid wallpaper. Click to set. We can apply on the both screen and lock screen, and here it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!